In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create link triggers in Kit. Link triggers are a powerful way to automatically organize your subscribers and follow up with them based on what they click. Instead of manually tagging people or adding them to a sequence, you can let Kit do that work for you the moment someone clicks a specific link in your email. We're going to walk through creating an automation rule that fires when a subscriber clicks a link and then tells Kit exactly what to do next. By the end, you'll have a link that not only takes people to a destination page, but also updates their profile behind the scenes so you can send more targeted and relevant emails. Let's start inside your Kit account. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and click on Automate. From the drop-down or sub-menu that appears, select Rules. This is where all of your automation rules live and where you can create new ones. Once you're on the Rules page, look for the button that says New Rule and click it. This opens up a fresh rule so you can define both the trigger and the action. On the left side, under the trigger column, choose Clicks a Link. This tells Kit that this rule should run only when a subscriber clicks a specific link you'll define in a moment. You're not just tracking opens or general behavior here. You're tying the rule to one exact link. Next, give your rule a clear internal name. This is just for you and your team, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later. For example, you might call it Interested in Workshop or Clicked Pricing Page Link. The goal is to be able to quickly scan your rules list and immediately understand what each rule does. Now enter the destination URL. This is the actual link subscribers will land on when they click. It could be a thank you page, a confirmation page, a sales page, or any URL that matches the intent of your email. Make sure you paste the exact final URL here and double-check that it loads correctly in your browser before you use it in a campaign. On the right side, under the Action column, choose what should happen after that click. Common actions include adding a tag or subscribing the person to a sequence. For example, you might add a tag like Interested in Coaching or enroll them into a follow-up sequence that sends more detailed information. Select the specific tag or sequence from the drop-down so Kit knows exactly what to apply. When everything looks good, click Save Rule. Your link trigger is now ready to use in your emails, and Kit will automatically apply your chosen action every time a subscriber clicks that specific link.